When the time comes, though, you need to be prepared.
Has the questions to ask to avoid repair sticker shock so you don't waste your money.
The 2025 reliability rankings just obliterated everything you thought you knew about dependable cars. While marketing departments flood social media with promises of bulletproof engineering, the brutal truth emerging from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power exposes a very different reality. Lexus, Buick, and Mazda now dominate the reliability throne.
That's why I can say to you, okay, 2040 looks like that.
So we're looking across the business, how do we right size it, restructure it, so we have a going profitable business as we go forward.
While former champions suffer catastrophic collapses, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity problems alone are hitting 8.4 problems per 100 vehicles, turning modern cars into rolling tech disasters. Based on Consumer Reports' comprehensive survey of over 300,000 vehicle owners and J.D. Power's latest dependability data, we're about to reveal the exact reliability scores that determine which brands will destroy your wallet with repair bills.
What if the final bill is way more than the initial estimate?
This isn't surface level marketing fluff. This is your financial protection against the $15,000 repair nightmares that unreliable manufacturers are desperately trying to hide. From the absolute worst automotive disasters to the shocking reliability champions that nobody saw coming. 10. Tesla. Reliability score 45 points. Tesla crashes into 10th place with a concerning 45-point reliability rating, while Elon's company showed improvement by reducing problems per 100 vehicles by 43 points compared to last year. Owners still face significant challenges. The primary culprits? Software glitches that require constant over-the-air updates, body panel alignment issues, and charging port malfunctions. Model S and Model X owners report particularly frustrating experiences with door handles and falcon wing doors.
If the car was like sitting out in the sun for a couple hours, it would get false readings. It wouldn't open all the way.
However, Tesla's supercharging network and continuous software improvements keep them from falling further down this list. 9. Volkswagen. Reliability score 47 points. Volkswagen limps into 9th position with 47 points, struggling with traditional German engineering complexity. The brand's turbocharged engines, while powerful, create long-term maintenance headaches. DSG transmission problems plague multiple models, particularly the Jetta and Passat. Electrical gremlins haunt the infotainment systems, and carbon buildup issues affect direct injection engines. VW owners frequently face expensive repairs once warranties expire, making this brand a risky choice for budget-conscious buyers. 8. BMW. Reliability score 49 points. BMW barely escapes the bottom with 49 points, proving that luxury doesn't guarantee reliability. The ultimate driving machine struggles with cooling system failures, particularly in turbocharged models. Vanos system problems affect many inline-six engines, while run-flat tires create harsh ride quality and expensive replacement costs. iDrive infotainment systems experience frequent software crashes, and window regulator failures plague multiple model lines.
And with this being all out, that's why my window wasn't going up or down.
Maintenance costs skyrocket after the warranty period ends. 7. Jeep. Reliability score 52 points. Jeep rolls into 7th place with 52 points, held back by transmission troubles and electrical issues. The brand's 9-speed automatic transmission creates shifting problems across multiple models, including the Cherokee and Compass.
This is exactly what happened to me. Hard shifting, deceleration.
Wrangler owners face water leak issues and premature brake wear. The Uconnect infotainment system freezes regularly, requiring hard resets. However, Jeep's off-road capability and strong resale values prevent a complete reliability disaster. 6. Ford. Reliability score 54 points. Ford struggles to 6th position with 54 points, weighed down by transmission nightmares and electrical problems. The PowerShift dual-clutch automatic and Focus and Fiesta models created class action lawsuits due to shuttering and premature failure. F-150 owners report issues with turbocharged EcoBoost engines, including timing chain problems and carbon buildup. Sync infotainment systems lag behind competitors, and electrical issues plague various models. Ford's reliability reputation continues to suffer despite recent improvements. 5. Subaru, reliability score 57 points. Subaru lands in 5th place with 57 points, battling head gasket problems and CVT transmission concerns. The brand's boxer engines are prone to head gasket failures, particularly in older Outback and Forester models. Continuously variable transmissions create premature wear issues, requiring expensive replacements. However, Subaru's all-wheel drive standard equipment and strong safety ratings help maintain customer loyalty despite these reliability challenges. 4. Honda, reliability score 59 points. Honda drops to 4th place with 59 points, a significant 11-point decrease from previous rankings. The brand faces transmission problems in Odyssey minivans and air conditioning compressor failures in multiple models. Honda's Earth Dreams engines experience oil dilution issues in cold climates, affecting CR-V and Civic models. However, the Accord, Civic, and CR-V still demonstrate better than average reliability, and Honda's reputation for longevity keeps them competitive. 3. Toyota, reliability score 62 points. Toyota shockingly falls to 3rd place with 62 points, representing a devastating 17-point decrease. The world's former reliability champion faces transmission issues in RAV4 models, oil consumption problems in Camry 4-cylinder engines, and premature brake wear across multiple vehicles. Recent recalls affect hundreds of thousands of vehicles, including engine problems in Highlander models. Despite these setbacks, Camry, Corolla, and Tacoma maintain above-average dependability. Number 2, Mazda, reliability score 67 points. Mazda surges to 2nd place with an impressive 67 points, representing remarkable improvement. The brand's Skyactiv engines demonstrate exceptional reliability, while the CX-5 and CX-30 experience minimal problems. Mazda's infotainment systems work consistently, and transmission reliability exceeds industry standards. The MX-5 Miata continues its legendary dependability. Mazda's focus on engineering excellence rather than cutting-edge technology pays reliability dividends. Number 1, Lexus, reliability score 76 points. Lexus dominates 1st place with an outstanding 76 points, maintaining its reputation as the most dependable luxury brand. The ES, RX, and GX demonstrate exceptional long-term reliability. Lexus hybrid systems prove nearly bulletproof, with many owners exceeding 300,000 miles without major issues. The brand's conservative approach to new technology adoption prevents the software problems plaguing competitors. Lexus owners enjoy peace of mind knowing their vehicles will provide years of trouble-free service. The 2025 rankings reveal several shocking trends. Software integration creates the biggest headaches, with smartphone connectivity problems affecting half of the top 10 industry-wide issues. Traditional reliability leaders like Toyota face unprecedented challenges, while brands like Mazda surge ahead through engineering focus. Electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids experience 42% and 70% more problems respectively compared to traditional gasoline engines. Luxury brands don't guarantee reliability, with many expensive vehicles ranking near the bottom. These rankings prove that badge prestige means nothing when your car leaves you stranded. Smart buyers prioritize reliability data over marketing promises, protecting themselves from devastating repair bills. The automotive landscape continues evolving, with software complexity creating new failure points that traditional engineering approaches struggle to address. Choose wisely. Your wallet depends on it. Which brand surprised you most? Share your ownership experiences below and subscribe for more data-driven automotive truth that respects your intelligence and protects your financial future.